thing I would invest in is real estate. It came from my mentor. He told me, Dela, if you want to buy something, make sure you have times three of that. So whatever you see that I have today, I have more than times three of that.
All right. So I want to ask you some quick questions, right? What motivated you to start forex trading?
Honestly, my past situations, I can't say my current now. My past situation, the fact that like I wasn't able to afford the things that I could afford now, and the fact that I wanted to experience more of life, and I realized that forex trading was that job that was giving me that leverage to become what I wanted to be within a minimal time.
How much is the capital you started trading with?
Well, I guess you're asking this question because you want to know if it's suitable to grow along, but you need to understand that how much you started with does not really correlate with how much I'm trading with now. I only started with $100. In fact, lesser than that. I think I actually started with $70 back then, but then obviously I blew that account a long time ago. So yeah, my initial principal was $70, just trying to figure out what this market was all about. And yeah, I made quite some amount of money from it, but I lost it in like about 5 days. Yeah.
You lost everything?
Yeah.
Wow. All right. Okay. So it takes us to the next question, which obviously I've heard in a couple of interviews you had that you lost about $35,000 in a single trade. Was that like your biggest loss?
Yeah, that has been my biggest loss in a single day, but I've lost more in like a span.
So for someone who's looking to get into forex trading, what would be your advice to such a person?
Honestly, just get the knowledge. Get someone that you know that is right at what he's doing, right? Don't just be fooled by what you see on social media and the flaunting of everything, right? Look for someone who's really about his craft, and then get that knowledge, and then be full of desire to really get into that craft called trading, and then just keep practicing and master.
Okay. What's your favorite trading pair?
Gold. I trade only gold, so I trade only gold.
It's all good here.
Yeah, it's all gold, bro. It's all gold.
All right. Thank you very much. But before you go, what's the best financial advice you've ever heard?
It came from my mentor. He told me, Dela, if you want to buy something, make sure you have times three of that before you buy. So whatever you see that I have today, I have more than times three of that.
Wow, you heard it. Right. Okay. So before you go, right, what would be your major asset to invest in? This is beyond forex. Let's say your top 3 assets to invest in.
The very first thing I would invest in is real estate because it's more stable. And the second thing I would invest in is into fintech, which is fintech technology, like financial technology. And then the third thing will be into cryptocurrencies.
Awesome. You heard it here first. It's your man, Eyram. Thank you.
Nice meeting you. All right, so you can follow me on Instagram at Eyram_Dela on all social medias.